What's up, y'all? So I am on my way to the office. I just got a call from one of my office mates, and they were like, "Hey, I just want to let you know that the office has flooded. I'm not sure if it's gotten down to your office, but his office was in a inch and a half of water." Y'all, like I have. I'm like, I didn't even think that our office, it didn't even cross my mind to go and check. Mind y'all, I live right down the road from my apartment is right down the road from the office space. So I'm just like, oh shit, let me go see, let me go and check and see like what has happened and stuff like that. So like, bro, hopefully it's not that bad or anything like that, but yeah, I'm gonna take y'all along with me too. So like, I see other people are here and stuff. Let's see. Prayerfully, it is not that bad. Okay, pray, church. All right.
Well, it could be in our office too.
This is.
How far? Let's see, 5'1".
Yeah. And more. Yeah. But let me go and see if it's in my office. Oh, it's bus way back there too.
It may not be. It may be.
Yeah.
That'll be a blessing if it's not.
All right. Very much so blessing. If it is not. And it's not. I will say it's not. It hasn't made its way all the way up here.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. It's running out. That's good.
Hopefully they cut it off. The water.
It's like it slowed down.
Uh-huh. Dang. There.
It looks like it's slowing down. It's getting better.
Yeah. Wait, let me see what. All the way back to. Oh, I know that speech therapist lady, her office flooded too again.
Yeah, it is. Her office messed up. It gotta be.
Gotta be.
You know, mine is sort of 2 inches deep in it.
Uh-huh. Yep. You can see it all up in there.
I didn't know her name or anybody.
Debbie. Ooh. So who put the bucket out?
I want to say David said he put the bucket in and he called the man. Look up. Look, hey, go through there and look upside the wall and stuff. Look to the right. See all that damage?
Ooh, yep. It's a. Dang. Yeah, this gonna be. They gonna. Let me see. It's back here.
Oh, you know it's in the office back there.
Yeah. Oh look, here you go. Yep, all this wet. Wow. I'm gonna have to come get my stuff. I wonder what they gonna do. Cause this gonna have to be renovated. All this.
Oh yeah, that mold and stuff. There's no way, you know.
Yeah. And I look crazy about it. I just signed the lease a couple of months ago. Renewed the lease. In January, I just renewed the lease. Yo, this.
Well,
yeah.
We saved, and I guess all is good.
Yeah, all is good. Like they'll let us know what's gonna happen. But oh yeah, my office, I didn't get any damage. So
yeah, that's good.
Yeah. All right.
Well, all right then. I didn't mean to bother you.
Look, thank you for letting me know.
That's right. Hey, you don't